First delete the cat sprite. Add ballerina sprite. From event blocks, get the block when green flag clicked. From control blocks, get the block forever. From look blocks, get the block next costume. From control blocks, get the block wait 1 second and change to wait 0.5 seconds. From motion blocks, get the block move 10 steps. From motion blocks, get the block if on edge, bounce. From motion blocks, get the block set rotation style, left right. Choose one picture for background. Click for full screen view. Click the green flag to operate the program.